If you are looking to pay student lunch fees, course fees, parking and book fines, or iPad insurance, Skyward is your destination. Start by visiting minnetonkaschools.org. Click on Shortcuts on the top right of the page. Then click Payments. You'll be directed to the Payments page. Next, click Skyward. You'll be directed to your SSO or Single Sign-On page. Enter your username and password. The applications accessible through SSO will appear on the screen. Click Skyward and you'll be directed to Skyward, our school management application. Next, click on the student's name. If you need to make a lunch payment, click on Food Service. This is where you can check your account balance and make a payment. Click Make a Payment. In order to enter money into the account, click Update Payment Amount. Enter the amount you would like to add and click on Update Cart. With the amount you want entered, click Pay with Vendor. You will be directed to RevTrack, our third-party payment vendor. Follow the prompts to check out. To pay fees, click Fee Management on the left navigation bar. Fees that are due will appear on the page. Even if no fees appear, there may be optional fees you would like to pay for the student. Click Add. If optional fees are not displayed on the lower part of the screen, click Display Fees. When optional fees appear, click Add for any you would like to add to the student's account. In the Pay Charge column, click the box to select each fee you would like to pay. Click on Update Cart. Click the Pay with Vendor button to proceed with your payment. You will be directed to the RevTrack store. RevTrack is our online payment vendor. You will be asked to set up a RevTrack payment account if you have not already set one up. Follow the payment prompts in RevTrack to complete the transaction. If you need assistance with your Parent Access account, please contact family.helpdesk@minnetonkaschools.org.